Hey there, let's see how to make a Khaman Dhokla today. So for that I took 1 cup of chana dal, rinsed it and soaked it in the evening for a couple of hours, like 5 hours maybe. Then I drained the water and in a jar I took 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger, and added the chana dal and added a little bit of water and turmeric powder and grinded into a paste. I did some water. I didn't put it very chunky but not even too paste. I grinded it and kept it overnight for fermenting, and this is how it looked in the morning. It fermented well. And in the morning I added half or 1 teaspoon of salt and a little bit maybe 2 teaspoons of oil in it and mixed it well. And for steaming the dokla, I didn't have a dokla machine for the stand. So this is how I did. I kept the idli plate first, and on top of it I'm going to put a small plate. So finally I found some dishes which I can use for making dokla. Then I took the batter, and in those plates I coated with the oil, and just before putting it into the pans I added half a sachet of the eno and mixed it well and filled those 2 cups. I kept that one there, and I found this plate, or rice cooker plate I guess, so I kept that on top of it. And on top of it I kept the other plate. I covered it and kept the lid and let it steam for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes it got cooked properly. Khaman Dhoklas are ready. So I cut them into the pieces. I took a little bit of water, half cup of water, and added 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. And for tadka, I kept a tadka pan, added oil, when the oil is hot I added some mustard seeds, green chilies and curry leaves. Mustard seeds crackle and they splutter, so be careful. Stay away, keep your faces away from the spluttering. I added the trampling into the water, the sugar water. I had a pinch of salt also in the water. I added a pinch of salt in that water. And spread this water onto the doklas. The doklas will be very dry and it's hard to swallow. So if we put this water, it will be juicy and it will be good to eat. So just pour on top of it, and that water will be absorbed just like the sponge does. that water wasn't enough, and I actually um, made another batch of water and I sprinkled on top of it. The doklas are ready. I made the peanut chutney and that went really well. Thank you for watching.